I found these face and body wipes, and I'm looking at them like, why? Just take a shower, okay?
Glamorous, penny pincher. Glamorous, penny pincher. Glamorous.
Okay guys, today I'm at Dollar Tree. I am looking for little items to take for my trip. So like miniature items, maybe like mini bottles of like shampoos and those little essential items you need for traveling. This is so cool guys. They have the heatless curling sets in different colors. These are $1.25 each. You don't need more than like 4 or 5 of them. So it's pretty cool that they're at the Dollar Tree. They also have this 20-piece body wax strip for like your legs and all that wonderful stuff. It's an entire kit guys for $1.25. Now I have never tried them, but I may try it a little bit just to see how it works. They also have these little edge wax. It says for long-lasting hold. This is a watermelon flavored one. They also have them in shea butter. Now I don't know that I'll need these while I'm there, but hey, I may just try one just in case my edges start to act crazy. Then I will have some sort of reinforcement. I'm gonna go ahead and get me some of these vitamin C drops to take with me just in case something starts brewing. I'll be topped up on my vitamin C's. I'm gonna go ahead also and get me some of these antacids just in case I have some indigestion while I'm there. I want to be fully covered, make sure that I have everything on site. I'm also going to go ahead and get me some of these travel size bottles to put our like hand lotions and little essentials. I'm going to get 2 of these. Guys, I found these like vitamin section. They have like B12 gummies. Now I haven't personally tried them, but these are interesting. I am like surprised to see these at the Dollar Tree. This one is turmeric with ginger and black pepper. They have probiotics. They have this one that's a mushroom complex. And let me see what other flavors they have. B12, I think that's it, but wow. And it's right in the area where they have the other vitamins as well. They also have these little first aid kits with different items in them. Apparently they have 21 pieces of things in them. Let me take a look at here. It has bandages, wound dressings, paper tape, all that wonderful stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and pick me up one of these to take with us. They also have these little Dove body creams. Super cute. I think I already picked up a couple of these from my last visit, but I absolutely love them. I found this cocoa butter jelly stick. It's like petroleum jelly. They have the cocoa butter one, and then they have the regular one, I guess. And this is really good to take with you, especially when you're going on a trip or anytime for that matter. I love it, so I can like, you know, put it on like my heels and stuff before I put my sandals on, so I don't look ashy. I'm also gonna grab me a few of these microfiber facial pads to kind of do my facial cleanse at night. Found these global beauty care products and I looked them up on Amazon. So these are $1.25, but this one is $12 and on Amazon. The facial nighttime cleanser is $10 on Amazon, and they also have like an eye cream that is $12 on Amazon as well, but they're in here at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. They also have this tea tree oil with salicylic acid. It's a balancing face wash. This is $8.98 on Amazon, and it has like a 4.5 star rating on Amazon. So this might be something to try as well. $1.25, as you can see. Also found these hot or cold eye pads, and they are reusable. Super cool. $1.25 if you just want to lay back, relax, and put them over your eyes, and it helps with puffy eyes. They are reusable, and you can use them chilled or heated. I found these face and body wipes, and I'm looking at them like, why? I guess convenient if you're traveling with kids and whatnot, but just take a shower, okay? Found these Starburst and Skittles freezer pops. Great for my grandson. I'm gonna pick some up for him because I know he will definitely love these. And these are $1.25 also. Then up top they got mocktails, baby, mocktails. If you enjoy a good mocktail, you might want to try these. Okay guys, I'm back from the Dollar Tree, and these are all the items I got. I pretty much got everything that was in my cart. So I got the first aid kit, I got me some first aid ointment, I got the wipes, and then I got me some more travel wipes. So this one will go like in my carry-on to wipe down the plane seats and all that stuff. I am not trying to catch anything while I'm away. And that will also wipe the hotel room down, the knobs, the light switch, the phones, everything. I got me some masks and got my vitamin C drops. Got me some toothpaste. I got me some of the cleansers and stuff. I want to see how that works. They had good reviews on Amazon, so I want to check them out. I also got me some toner pads, and I got the wax strips. So yeah, this is my Dollar Tree haul. Thank you so much for coming along with me. And I will let you know how the products work. I will use these for maybe a couple of weeks just to test them out and see if they, are any good. But check out your local Dollar Tree to see what items they have, because when I left that one, I stopped at another one and they didn't have half the stuff that this one has. But I think it's because this one might be newer. So if you are close to a newer Dollar Tree, check them first because they're coming with all the goods, okay? All right, thank you so much for joining me, guys. I appreciate you. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Chelomie, and I thank you for dropping by. I would love for you guys to join the Penny Pincher family. It's real simple. All you have to do is to click that subscribe button below and make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you are the first to know when I upload new videos. All right, guys, stay tuned. I have a lot of travel videos coming up. So if you want to travel on my vacation with me, you know exactly what to do. Stay tuned. All right. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Chelomie saying bye-bye.